Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Natural Remedies YouTube channel. In this video, I will share you how to treat your dandruff naturally with these steps. While chemical shampoos may temporarily cure your dandruff, they also sit on your scalp and seep into your body. So why deal with all those synthetic substances when you can get rid of your dandruff safely, effectively, and naturally? The key to treating dandruff is realizing what it is. All dandruff is flaky skin from your scalp. It can be dry or oily, depending on the cause. The problem with treating it is that you can't smear lotion medications on your scalp or you're going to be left with greasy flat hair. The first step in treating dandruff is to have good hair care habits and hygiene. Try washing and brushing your hair more regularly. This promotes good scalp circulation and helps slough off old dead skin cells. While it may mean some extra time getting ready in the morning, it may be all you need to cure your dandruff. If your dandruff is a little more difficult to get rid of, you can try these natural topical treatments. Fenugreek seed. Soak the seeds overnight in water. In the morning, grind the seeds into a paste and apply it to your scalp. Allow it to sit for about an hour, then rinse with a soap nut solution. This is considered one of the best natural treatments for dandruff. Lime. After you wash your hair, rinse with some freshly squeezed lime juice. This will not only help dandruff but will also leave your hair looking shiny and great. White beets. Boil the white beets, drain the water, and store. Massage this water into your scalp every night before bed. Vinegar. Wash your hair at night and do the final rinse with vinegar. Shampoo and rinse normally for clean, shiny dandruff-free hair. Olive oil. Massage into the scalp at night and rinse it out in the morning. This is helpful if your dandruff is due to a very dry scalp because olive oil makes a great moisturizer and works for the rest of your skin too. Just be sure to have something to lay your head on at night that won't be ruined by the oil. Often, topical treatments aren't required at all for treating your dandruff. That's because they're treating the symptoms, not the cause. If you have dandruff, it may be a sign that there's something wrong with your diet. Keeping yourself healthy on the inside will help keep your skin and scalp beautiful on the outside. A balanced diet is essential for healthy skin, including your scalp. Aim for a diet full of fresh, unprocessed foods, including a variety of fruits and vegetables. In addition to a healthy diet, you should also make sure to drink plenty of water to help keep your skin and scalp healthy and hydrated. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoy this video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more future videos and do like, share and comment below.